Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to create a remittance advice in Xero. A remittance advice is a document that informs a supplier of the payment made to them, providing details of the invoice and amount paid. To start, log into your Xero account and navigate to the business area. From the dashboard, click on the Accounts Payable tab. Then click on the Payments tab. In the Payments tab, select the payment you want to create a remittance advice for and click on the Create Remittance button. In the Create Remittance window, select the supplier you made the payment to and the payment date. Choose the payment method and enter the payment reference if required. You can also add a message to the supplier if needed. Next, review the payment details to ensure everything is accurate. This includes the payment amount, invoice numbers, and payment method. If everything is correct, click the Create Remittance button to generate the remittance advice. The remittance advice will be created in a new window, where you can review and print or email it to the supplier. The document will include the payment details, supplier information, and your company information. Best practice is to email the remittance advice to the supplier immediately after creating it, to ensure they receive the payment details promptly. You can also save a copy of the remittance advice in Xero for your records. In conclusion, creating a remittance advice in Xero is a straightforward process that helps you keep your suppliers informed of payments made to them. By following these steps, you can ensure that your suppliers receive accurate and timely payment information, helping to build strong relationships and streamline your accounts payable process.